Kesters from Walsh Jesuit High School, and this section is on the shortcut method for factoring. Alright, here's example number 1. Now we have a squared minus 6a minus 7. Now, we could do the rewrite method. So when we would normally do the rewrite method, we'd bring a 1 out here. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. Now, factors of negative 7 that add to negative 6 are negative 7 and positive 1. So if we do the rewrite method of a squared minus 7a plus 1a minus 7, group, you bring an a out and you're left with a minus 7. Then you can't take anything out, so factor out a 1 as a placeholder and you have a minus 7. You see you have a minus 7 twice and you have an a plus 1 left over. Now looking at this answer, a minus 7, a plus 1. Okay? Now look at the factors that you had that you rewrote. Negative 7 and positive 1. Your shortcut method is that all you have to do is recognize that you have a negative 7 and a positive 1 and factor it as a minus 7, a plus 1. Now you can only do this shortcut method when you do not have a leading coefficient, which means you do not have anything in front of your a squared. Okay, that's the only time you can do this. So when you do not have any number in front of this a squared, just simply get the two numbers of negative 7 and 1 and put it right into your factors. All right, let's try another one. So right away you notice that there's no number in front of this x squared. So that means that you can go straight into the shortcut method. So you have an x and an x. Factors of 18 that add to negative 11 are negative 9, negative 2, and you're done. All you have to do, shortcut method. All right, now looking at this one, we do have a number out in front of here, okay? We have 4n squared plus 32n minus 80. But look at all the numbers, 4, 32, and 80. You can take a 4 out of everything. Then you're left with n squared plus 8n minus 20. Now circle that 4, bring it down for your answer. Now looking at n squared, we do not have anything in front of that n squared. So you can do the shortcut method. Factors of negative 20 that add to 8 are going to be positive 10 and negative 2. So then you have n plus 10, n minus 2. Don't forget about your 4, and this is your final answer. A 4 times the quantity of n plus 10, n minus 2. Now, if this 4 did not factor out of all of these terms, then you would have to do the rewrite method. So make sure you don't do the shortcut method for every single one, only when you do not have a number out in front. So if you have any questions, please stop in the math office, or you can email me at kesterse@walshjesuit.org. I'll see you in class.